everyone, my last spiritual DIYs went really well on YouTube, so I decided to make a part 2. So today I'm going to be showing you 2 very easy DIYs. One will include crystals, which I think is really cute because I love making room decor out of crystals. I like to fill up my room with as much crystals as I can, so yeah, let's just dive right into it. So for the first DIY, I have this old jewelry box that I got a few years ago. It's pretty dirty, I cannot really clean it, so we're gonna paint on it. I had a really cute idea for this box, so I started out with painting the insides and the outsides completely black. And I'm just gonna let this dry for a few minutes, and meanwhile we're moving on to the second DIY. We are going to make a little crystal macrame hanger. So all you need is 6 pieces of yarn, each 50 centimeters, and we're gonna group them in 2, so you have 3 groups of each 2 pieces of yarn. So I'm gonna try to explain this as best as I can. So you line one straight and then you tie the other pieces of yarn to the first straight one, like so. So you do that twice and then you bring the 2 ends together. So then you have something like this, and then you tie another knot to make like a triangle centerpiece. Okay, so you want to continue taking 2 pieces of yarn from the one side, 2 pieces of yarn from the other side, and tying them together, continuously making triangles. And when you think you've had about enough, try fitting your crystal in your hanger and see if you need to make more knots or if you're done. And there you go, this is super cute as room decor. I also made one as a gift for my best friend Anna because it was her birthday. And I don't know, I love this so much. You can add some beads like mine. I also made another one later on without the beads, but I don't know, it's really cute. You can add more crystals, you can make a whole chain if you want, get creative, and yeah. So I tied all the ends into one giant loop so I can hang it, and then I tied some yarn around it to finish it off. So meanwhile my little box has dried and it's time to paint on it, which is my favorite part. So I'm gonna paint a little tarot card of the moon on this box. It's not really the most accurate tarot card, like it's not really an existing one. It's just something that came into my mind, like hey, this is kind of pretty. So I'm just painting what comes up in my head. I still really want to learn how to read tarot cards, but I know it's super difficult. So maybe one day I hope to be able to read tarot cards, but from now I'm just gonna stick to it as room decor. And to finish it off, I wrote the moon in little letters on the bottom. And then my box was done. I love this so much. I use it to store pictures that I found at a thrift store that didn't really have a place before. And I also use it to store some of my incense because I have a lot of incense, so it really needed a place to be safe. Thank you all so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments below what your favorite one was. Personally, I really love the macrame hanger, but I also really love this box because it really speaks to me. So yeah, let me know which one was your favorite. I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, a great month, and a great year. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!